So, to begin with, my entire weight loss journey, it wasn't like a full, when I started off, I thought it is going to be rocky. I will have cravings and there'll be points where I will feel very low and I might want to give up. But to my surprise, I realized there were lows. I'm not telling that, I never had any lows. My cravings took over, my PMS took over. But I would definitely say that throughout the thing, I mean, I never wanted to give up 5 kgs. I know it's no joke. And for someone like me who I would put on weight very easily, like within weeks or something. And then in 3 weeks, here I am, like I've lost 5 kgs and 5 kgs without actually doing a lot. Like it's not like I'm completely, I've cut on food or I starve myself. It's definitely not like that. I am just eating what is right, what is nutritious, what my body needs. And I think I didn't have the sense of all of this until I, enrolled myself for the program. Like I remember I was so scared that, what will I have to eat and how will it go about. But I realized that it's not that tough. Losing weight is not that tough because, when you have the right guidance, when you have the right people telling you what to do and, helping you and motivating you out. So my overall journey, I would say, was really smooth because of all the guidance I got. And I would also say that I see so many new habits that I am going to take even after the program. So I feel it was just not a 8 week program. It is something that I've learned and that I see myself carry out throughout my life. So I feel this journey so far is still not to an end. I have a long way to go, and till I go, I am just going to be working on it. And I would just thank the team so much for always being there, irrespective of anything. And here coming to why I would recommend, like, see, I also had these doubts that, why not I do gym or something else. But I realized that there's no overall all holistic development is not there. Like every, like, gym gives only physically, they want to strengthen you or anything like that. Only everyone has like one area that they want to work on. But when it comes to this program and this team by Nishalna, it's very nice. Like, you are not just working on your physical appearance, you're also working on what is good for your body. You're also trying to find the peace. You are improving your flexibility. Like, for example, I wasn't very flexible when I initially joined. But then once I started doing the yoga asanas every day, I realized that, my body is, it's opening. Like how I saw that my joints being a little stiff and all of that. I could see them, free a little. So that makes me feel very good. And not just that, I mean, I don't know how to like tell that I am so grateful to everybody here and tribe members and from our mentors. So I think all of that is very motivating, and all of this is something that I never knew happens in the world. So I feel if weight loss journey is so easy, all of us should be able to do it, and all of us should at least try doing this rather than, starving yourself. Like I've seen so many toxic diets happening and so many people trying to lose weight and working actually hard, but they don't know where exactly to go to, or what exactly to do. And for people like them, I think this is a great program. Like they should just enroll themselves and just like how I did. I just went with the flow. I wasn't planned and I didn't come with everything. I just went with what was told to me, and it was all very smooth. It wasn't, a little problematic, or not even once I felt like quitting. So I think this is definitely something that I would recommend to every person I know who wants to lose weight. Because not just to lose weight, just to feel empowered, I would say that, this is really important, and this has really transformed my life, and I will always, think of this period in my life with all the happiness, and just thank everybody who led to this decision that I made for myself. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to everybody possible.